Hi, in this video, we're going to discuss how to avoid people from entering value which when there's no value, right? There's no name for the training program. People use click OK, right? It shouldn't be allowed to, but it's at the moment it is. So we got to provide a map, a ways to check whether the value is there. If it's not there, then we should show a message box, and that's exactly what we want to do. So before we enter the data, right, we need to do a validations, right? And that's called, just put there validate. And the cell that we want to check is basically the cell called F3, right? Because that's where we sell that. So we can just make use of this. Okay, before we can just use this. So we can check if checking this cell, if it's empty, then we should do something else, right? We should do something. But what is that we want to do, right? We want to show a message that it is not great, right? Error, right? And then after that, we should not proceed with the rest of the informations, but jump right to the end sub. The way to do that is to enter exit sub. So now I click on this, right? You can see that there is an error, right? It shows that error. But then yeah, and that is ends up and does not enter anymore the value. See, click again, right? Error, right? Nothing is entered. So that's a way to validate it. So if you want to have a more appropriate message box, right, you can use of this. So you can give them say no value in the trainings data, right? So maybe something like that, right? So data not exist. Maybe it's blank, right? Data is blank, right? It's blank, and after that you can comma, and you can put in this VB plus OK, right? So we're going to show OK button, and information, right? And then here is error, and that's all you need. Message box, data is blank, right? That's a prompt, and that's okay. So now we click on this. See, data is blank, and there's information, and there's only showing OK buttons, and the title of this message box is error. Okay, so that is how we enter that. Now, if you want to go further, right, you can say turn this background, the background into red color, for example. You can just use this range dot interior dot color and change it to VB red. Okay, for example, so I click on this. So data is blank, right? It shows a message, and notice that this is now blank. Now, if you want to highlight G3 as well, right, you can, right? Just type in G3, right? So let's do again, right? Click OK. See? So hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.